My friend has this ring, and I couldn't stop thinking about it. So I decided to make it. Since it had some texture, I decided to use this magic wheel from Bulunmaz in size M to recreate it. I like this finish. That's a good start. Now things got a bit more serious. I like this sound. It hypnotized me. Now that we finished the parallel lines, we need to make the X shape between them. It's definitely the scariest part for me, but Crazy Gold's technicians make it look so easy. I can't believe how the lines are identical even though it's made manually. And here we are crossing them with other identical lines. The video was not speeded so you can see everything in real time. Almost finished. Now we'll make the edges, and that's what will give our ring an elegant and sophisticated finish. Once we finish the first side, we flip the ring and do the other one. Our ring is ready, and it looks exactly like my friend's ring. Wow, I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments.